Hello everyone, how's everyone doing? Hope you are doing good. Hope you are resonating with the readings. Do let me know how the readings are. Do like the channel, do subscribe the channel and click on the bell icon. Today I have been feeling that a lot of people are not communicating or opening up and talking to your loved ones or to your career or in your career to your office colleagues or to your bosses, and because of which you feel very dumped from inside and very helpless from inside. So today let's use the color blue, and also if you can chant the beej mantra of the throat chakra. If you type beej mantra of throat chakra in YouTube, you will get it. Chant that today. Maybe the throat will start working up and it will get energized, and you will at last speak out what it is that you want to speak. Also, if possible, today go to some Devi temple, maybe the Durga temple or the Kali temple, and offer 2 packets of milk, and don't bring it back. Let the priest use it for anything which is for the temple, for the benefit of the temple. In that ways, you will feel very happy and calm from inside, and any obstacles will leave your life and go. So let's see what is in the cards today. The first card is Four of Cups. See, as I said, maybe this emotional trap is, or you're not able to open up and talk, is on the emotional front. That is why the Four of Cups is card. Empress card. So overpower your emotions. Have a grip over your emotions. Have a control over your emotions and talk out. Plan it properly and talk it out properly, because what I see when I'm seeing these two cards is, when you talk out properly, when you speak and talk out properly. Sorry, I had to put a pause. So if you plan properly and if you have a grip on your emotions, and if you talk out what you want to talk, anything that you feel may not be in your favor will definitely come in your favor and will definitely give you the results that you're feeling. I just felt like pulling one more card, the High Priestess card. I always say, because I myself am a Wiccan High Priestess, I always say that if I decide to do something and if I work on it, nothing can stop me, and it will come in my favor. So maybe that's the reason even the cards are saying that work on your energies and things will be in your favor. Have a beautiful and a blessed day ahead. Thank you.